As we step into 2024, it's time to break free from the confines of mediocre advertising and embrace a new era of dropshipping. In this tutorial and review, we unravel the key to making 2024 the year you stop testing with subpar ads and start taking your dropshipping endeavors seriously. The focal point of this transformation? Viral ecom ads. With years of documented success on various channels, this platform has become synonymous with top-tier video ad creation and make up to $10,000 per day. We'll explore how to obtain high-converting video ads for dropshipping businesses at the most affordable rates, focusing on the services offered by viral ecom ads. Hello and welcome to Money Hunt. Viral ecom ads stands as the preeminent video editing company globally for dropshipping, having crafted over 50,000 video ads for more than 25,000 satisfied clients. Run by active e-commerce experts who've generated over $30 million in sales using their own videos, Viral ecom ads specializes in creating proven-to-convert video ads. These ads are crafted with a strategy that the owners have personally used to identify winners and scale their stores. Before we dive into the incredible services offered by Viral ecom ads, here's an exclusive opportunity for Money Hunt viewers. Simply click on the link in the description and use the code MONEYHUNT to unlock a flat 15% discount on all services provided by Viral ecom ads. Now, let's explore the wealth of options awaiting you on their platform. Upon clicking the link in the description, you'll be directed to a page where satisfied customers showcase their lucrative results from Viral ecom ads. Scroll down to discover the various video ad packages available. The split testing video ad package, priced at $60, provides 4 different ad variations for one product, a valuable asset for running Facebook ads. However, with the exclusive Money Hunt code, you can enjoy a flat 15% off on this package. The platform doesn't stop at split testing. It extends to diverse offerings such as the video package, TikTok package, and more. Combo packages, vertical packages for stories or reels, animation ad packages, and TikTok organic video packages are tailored to meet different needs. The TikTok video ad package, for instance, presents 3 different ad variations for one product, potentially leading to increased sales. For those seeking cost-effective alternatives, Viral ecom ads also offers image ad split testing packages, providing 5 ad variations for one product at a more affordable rate than video ads. These visually appealing image ads can be a compelling addition to your marketing arsenal. Now let's talk about VIP membership program, an exclusive feature offering a remarkable 75% discount and 24-hour fast delivery. For example, with this membership, a testing ad package for Facebook, initially priced at $60, can be obtained for just $15. Priced at $50 per month, the VIP membership program is a cost-saving solution for businesses in need of frequent video ads. Navigating the order placement process is made simple. The tutorial walks you through an example, ordering the TikTok ad package. By clicking on the package and proceeding to the checkout page, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal information. Don't forget to use the exclusive discount code MONEYHUNT to enjoy a flat 15% off. Take advantage of the exclusive Money Hunt offer, explore the diverse packages, and witness the transformative power of high-converting video ads. On Money Hunt, we track down the daily winning dropshipping products and show you everything, including the winning store and product supplier. If you're interested in starting a dropshipping business, then you need to subscribe to our channel.